Charging phone mounts aren't new inventions, but this is probably the first one that I've used that is not only functional, but also has the sleekest design. Hey, what is up you guys? Tim here, and if you're like me, you're always searching for the best accessories to elevate your Tesla experience. This is MagBak's wireless charging phone mount that's designed to seamlessly blend in the Model 3 and Model Y. Full disclosure, MagBak did send me this charging phone mount along with their phone case for me to review, but I've honestly been eyeing this charging mount since last year. These are all my thoughts and opinions, and I'll be sure to link this product down in the description. Even though my Model Y has wireless chargers under the touchscreen display, I don't end up using it as much since my phone is out of sight and out of reach. As someone who uses apps like Google Maps and a better route planner for road trips, or even Waze when it can get pretty heavy with traffic, it can get dangerous having to look away from the road to change something while you're driving. I'm used to having my phone on car mounts from setting them up in my previous cars. However, most phone mounts are made out of plastic, making them look and feel cheap to use. MagBak's OEM-like design and premium build quality was the only charging phone mount that stood out to me, with its minimal and clean design. Let's go ahead and open it together. Unboxing the mount was straightforward. It included the mount, which connects via USB-C, a 30-watt USB-C adapter to plug into the 12-volt socket in the armrest storage, alcohol wipes to clean the surface area, and an extra adhesive for you to move it to another Tesla, or just in case you mess up with your first installation. I don't know how you can mess it up, but hey, I ain't judging. Go use your extra adhesive. To ensure a proper setup, let me show you how simple the entire installation process is. Make sure you have the appropriate mount for your left-sided or right-sided vehicle. I'm mounting mine on the left side. To start, you'd want to clean the corner of the back side of the screen with the included alcohol wipe to ensure proper adhesion. Once it is dry, remove the red liner on the 3M adhesive and align your charger to the corner. Go ahead and apply pressure for about 30 seconds. Before placing your phone on the mount, let's go ahead and work on the cable management and give the adhesion 5 minutes to set. Cable management is extremely easy. You don't need to remove any parts. Simply tuck the cable along the trim and center console area. Be sure to take your time. No need to rush this part of the process. The end of the cable should slightly stick out. This won't be bothersome whatsoever as it is barely noticeable. Open the armrest and connect the USB-C cable to the charging adapter and plug into the 12-volt socket. And that's it. As soon as I placed my phone on the mount, it immediately started charging. The charging speed is noticeably faster. Tesla's wireless charging pad offers 5 watts, while MagBak delivers 10 watts of wireless charging. The mount works well with other MagSafe capable cases, but I found that it works best with MagBak's very own case. Not scientific research, but I mean, look at it. This thing isn't going anywhere. Rest assured, there won't be any rattling plastic noises. It works in both portrait and landscape orientation. However, I found that it blocks the speedometer when you're using it horizontal, so I usually keep it in portrait mode. This makes it great having it in my line of sight, easily allowing me to unlock my phone with Face ID and make my calls on FaceTime. I love that my phone is now easily reachable and detachable. No need to mess around with clips or clamps like other phone mounts. There are a few things to know when using this mount. I have the standard steering wheel, so unfortunately it blocks out a portion of the phone since it's set up behind the wheel. This is something you'd have to keep in mind, but if you happen to replace your steering wheel with the yoke, it would definitely give you a clear line of sight. Another concern is the cable. The charging mount's cable isn't removable, so if anything happens to it, it isn't something that could easily be replaced. But, I mean, hey, it's not like you're gonna be frequently moving the cable, so I think it should be a-okay. Lastly, while you can use the phone mount with your bare phone without a case, I highly recommend that you use a phone case to prevent any damage or scratches to either the display screen or your phone. Overall, MagBak's charging mount has been amazing to use. The premium quality and convenience of having MagSafe mounting makes this accessory a no-brainer for those who want a charging mount that seamlessly blends in with their Tesla. If you're interested in this product, I've included an affiliate link down below, and if you use my code KAIROS15, you can get 15% off your purchase. Thank you so much for your continual support in my journey as a creator. Leave a comment with your thoughts, a like is always appreciated, and if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe because I've got more Tesla and tech related reviews coming soon. See y'all in the next one.